Galva. All right, family, greetings to you all and welcome back to my channel. It's your brother Chief Labashegu and also known as Prince Ayoko, sending my peaceful and warmly greetings to you all, wherever you are in the world, family. I'm sending my peaceful and lovely greetings to you all. Okay, so family, I'm here once again today to take you through my class, that is my University of free technical university class. This is University of Free Technical University. So this free technical university is about building, construction, as well as anything that has to do with building. So I'm here today with Master Sadik. I'm here today with Master Sadik and then his apprentice. But his apprentice happens to be my cameraman today. Hopefully, when I take the camera from him, you'll see his face. So we are here, and he's doing connections for for the bathrooms. He's doing the plumbing works. He's doing plumbing works for the bathrooms and the toilets. So he's now connecting the PVC pipes to the soakaways for the bathrooms, and then to the septic tanks for the toilets, as well as the soakaways for the kitchens. So the bathrooms as well as the kitchens is gonna have one septic tank. That is what we call the soakaway. And then the toilets is gonna have different septic tanks. That is what we call septic tank. So keep watching. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new, and click on the notifications bell so that you always get notifications when I post new videos. And don't forget to share my contents with your families and friends. And you know what? Just enjoy watching this educative video. Keep watching. Thank you. All right, so this is Master Sadik's apprentice. And Alasan. So this is Alasan. A brother is in your job. Okay. So Alasan is a twin. His twin brother is at home. So his master is also here, very, very busily cutting his PVC pipes. The PVC pipe that he's cutting is 3 inches. That is 3 inches PVC pipe. So right now he's doing the connections to the kitchens as well as the bathrooms and the service pipe to those kitchens and bathrooms as well as the toilets. So this is professional plumber who is here working at Queen's Guest Palace. And this particular brother that is here, Master Sadik, has trained a lot of apprentices. There's a lot of professional plumbers in town, you know, who has learned from this brother, Master Sadik. But you know, he's a funny master. Master Sadik likes to talk so much. Yeah. So when you employ him to work for you, you're not gonna regret it. Yeah. You're not gonna regret it when you give your work for him to do for you. Because you know what? He's gonna do professional job for you, and at the end of it, he's gonna crack some jokes to make you laugh. So that is Master Sadik there for you, busily doing what he knows best. You know, that is his profession. And he's not lazy at all. So as you can see, he's working on the, you know, he's doing the plumbing works for the toilets as well as the bathrooms and the kitchens. Master Sadik wants to tell us something. So
waste pipes for the kitchen, and then WCs, and at the same time the service pipe.
Okay.
So that's what we are doing.
Okay. So you are just taking the work as in general. You're just doing the general work. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. But currently you are working on the service pipe, yeah, as well as the waste pipes for the kitchens and the bathrooms, right? Yeah. So the service pipes is the smaller PVC pipes, yeah, and it's 3/4 PVC pipes, right? Yes. Okay. You know, I'm a craftsman, so I know much about measurements. So this PVC pipe that he's cutting, you know, the measurement is 3/4. So that's what he's doing right now. So as you can see, this is the septic tanks for the toilets to Queen's Guest Palace. So with these septic tanks, it is supposed to be a septic tanks for 3 toilets. This is supposed to be septic tanks for 3 guest rooms. So he has did the installation of the PVC pipes to, you know, the waste. He did the installation for the waste pipes, that is the waste PVC pipes into the septic tanks, and he's still working on that. He did not finish everything yet, but as you can see, these are the ventilation PVC pipes. Master Sadik, yeah, is that how you call it? Yeah, vent pipes. Okay, so these are the vent pipes. So that's the ventilation PVC pipes, as you can see. So that's how it is on the top, and when you see it from down, this is how it looks. So when he finish his job, we're gonna clean all of these places and make it very neat. So if I have any plants, like if I have any plants like planting some plants like some fruit plants or maybe some flower plants or whatever, then I'll just use that as an extra design for the beautiful Queen's Guest Palace. So as you can see, that is exactly what we're doing. And usually when he also do his work, he makes sure that he calculates the job very well. So now with these PVC pipes that you see standing up, is our vent pipes and then clean up our pipes. So there's vent pipes and then clean up pipes. So this one, for instance, is a clean up pipe. That is when the toilet gets choked, you just open here. when the toilet gets choked, you just call him and he'll come over, open here, and this is the lid. It has some thread. So when he comes, he will just open here, clean it, and then cover it again. So that's the plan. So that's the original plan for it. And then this pipe that is standing on top here is the vent pipe to the waste PVC pipes for the bathrooms and the kitchens. So this is the vent. So usually, you know, because it's a PVC pipe, it has to have a place that it breathes, or it has to have a place that the smells comes out from, like the smell used to get out. So this will be the vent pipes for the kitchens, for the waste pipes to the kitchens, as well as the bathrooms. And this particular place will be the vent pipe to the toilet. So this will be the vent pipe to the toilet. So the vent pipe will not be only one. It is a lot here. It's a lot here. There's a lot of ventilation pipes, said that it will make the rooms not to have some bad odors. So as you can see, this is exactly what we are doing. You can all see all of these are vent pipes. We make sure that there's enough vent pipes, you know, to prevent the bad odors from getting into the guest rooms. So that is real professional craftsmanship. So, you know, there's so much talents in Africa. There's a whole bunch of talents in Africa, you know, especially to the young men, young African men, you know, who are not lazy to learn. All of these guys has learned some very good craftsmanship, you know. So like Master Sadik, for instance, Master Sadik has been my childhood friend. So as we were growing up, Master Sadik has decided to learn plumbing, and I have decided to learn welding. So you see how it goes. Now you see, Master Sadik is here very busily working for me. Hopefully one day when he buy a cargo truck, or maybe like an articulator truck, or any kind of, you know, heavy duty truck for business, I'll also be work for him. I'll also be able to work for him and take that money. Master Sadik, do you have any plans for that?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So far as there is life, there is hope.
Okay. That's exactly what it is. So for how long have you been doing this job?
Like, I can't really predict, because I was a very young boy when I went to learn plumbing works. So far, hopefully, if I'm not mistaken, it's almost like 28, 27 years.
Okay.
So far.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, I remember when we were going to school at the same time learning this plumbing work. So I'm not surprised about that. Yeah, but you're also doing a good job. You're really doing a very wonderful job. And keep it up, bro. I appreciate you. Okay. Okay, yeah. Okay. Okay. We are taking plans for tomorrow because right today the day is over, so we are taking plans for tomorrow, and he's coming tomorrow to finish up the job.
This 1, 2, 3, and then the 45 and the last one over there.
Okay. Okay. So Master Sadik is here, very doing his job, you know, professional, you know, job. Okay, so we are all checking on what he has to continue to do tomorrow for the job to finish. So Master Sadik, please, can you share your contact online if somebody wants you to come over and do their work for them? Said that they can call you, but I'll also put your contact information on the description box. So to whoever wants a professional plumber, either you are in Tamale, you are in Accra, you are in the US, you are in Europe, or any part of the world, as long as you can pay for Master Sadik to come and work for you, you can do that. And he's free to go to wherever they call him to go and work. So please share your contact information.
0249.
Okay, so because we are dealing with people who are all over the world.
Yeah.
You know the dial code is +233. Uh-huh.
0249.
So it's +233
Yeah.
249.
0249.
No, it's +233 249. Then you continue.
0249 +233
Uh-huh. 249.
0249 764 904.
Okay. So it's +233
Yeah.
249
249
0249, right?
0249
Mm-hmm.
0249 904.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So that is his number, and I'll share that on my description box when I post these videos.
764 904.
Okay.
Yeah.
So 0249
764
7.
904.
Okay. So that is his contact information. So thank you so much, Master Sadik. All right. So family, this is where we're coming to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much for just taking your time to learn from me and Master Sadik. Enjoy the rest of your Monday. I wish you all a very happy Monday and a productive a productive week. Stay blessed, stay focused, have a wonderful day, and may the Almighty God and our ancestors continue to bless all of us. Stay blessed and remain focused. One love. Peace.